I decided to buy a max fan to ventilate the hot air in the van. I wanted to do it for a while, but I'm just scared to death to cut a hole in a fiberglass high top. But anyway, I decided to buy it. Here it is. And let's open this baby up. See what we have here. Bought it through Amazon. Got some packing notice. Installation instructions. Screws and electrical connectors. Let's see here. How does this work? Okay, see. That's the whole unit. Oh boy. Okay, there she is. Okay, there's the fan. There's the inside shroud. So, there it is. Okay, I'm ready to cut the hole in the roof of the van. So, it's kind of scary. Got my drill, jigsaw, ladder. Go up the ladder here. Do the, hopefully the 14-inch square. Hopefully it is square. Put some blue tape down. Take up some of the dust. Hopefully it won't splinter the fiberglass. Got my gloves on, my mask. I'm ready to start drilling. So here we go. Here's our hole. Gotta get the tape off. And there's a metal bar across here that was used to hold up a console light on the inside. So it really doesn't, I don't think, has structural effect. So I have to cut that. So I'm not looking forward to that neither. So the hole's finished. I cut the beams, the metal beams out, and now I'm gluing some structural wood to the fiberglass hole so I can drill the fan into the wood rather than just fiberglass. Then I have to build it up a little further to match the inside ceiling. So there you have it. So let the glue dry a while, and then we'll proceed with putting the fan on top. Now I put the Dicor or butyl tape or whatever, double-sided tape on the flanges and get ready to stick it on. Okay, so here's the finished product on the inside. Not bad looking after some jerry rigging, but it looks good. So here's the view from the top. Finally done. And we got the Dicor lap sealant all around. Looks pretty good. I'm happy with it, and it works. We're here in Williamsburg, our first trip of the fall. And our van with a Max Air fan. We're here at Barrett's Seafood Restaurant and having she crab soup. Sounds good. Forgot to mention the fact that we have our little Petchy with us. Almost forgot. Show the food we're eating. Okay. crab cake, flounder with shrimp. The shrimp's already all gone. They went first. So we're at the Botanical Gardens in Freedom Park in Williamsburg. Why does it show it upside down?
To show the little fairy garden.
I want to show the fairy garden. We show the fairy garden.
It's got little green bunny rabbits.
Okay, here's the fairy garden.
Green bunny rabbits.
Twisted vine. It's a nice shady spot up here. And a roof with plants on it. And my sweetheart. We're going on a walk in the state park. Stopping on the way home to get our legs some exercise after sitting in the van for so long. Come on, Patch. You're holding us up. You're holding this up, buddy.